country has seen a paradigm shift in infrastructure landscape due to the dynamic leadership of our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. The visionary and futuristic Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways, Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, understanding the importance of Andhra Pradesh, which is known for its long and beautiful coastline, having important seaports, has initiated many state-of-the-art highway projects here. Today is a historic day as Shri Nitin Gadkari ji is laying foundation stone for 8 projects worth rupees 3,000 crores. Construction of 2-lane with paved shoulder from Rampachodavaram to Koyuru section of NH 516E will augment development of tribal areas and enhance ecotourism. It will also give smooth and safe connectivity to tourist locations of Lambasinghi and Araku. With an aim to ensure safety of commuters and eliminate black spots, 5 flyovers of 4 lanes each costing rupees 215 crores is being constructed at Morampudi, Jonnada, Undrajavaram, Thetali and Kaikaram. It will provide hassle-free traffic movement for important destinations like Namavaram, Satellite City Mandapeta, Ramachandrapuram, Kakinada, Undrajavaram, Nidadavolu, Tanuku Town and Kaikaram. Under Sagarmala Pariyojana, 2 greenfield projects of 4 lanes have been envisaged on NH 516F from Samar Lakota to Achampeta Junction and Vakalapudi Annavaram via Uppada. Once completed, it will provide enhanced connectivity to Kakinada SEZ Port, Fishing Harbour, Kakinada Anchorage Port from Hyderabad and Visakhapatnam. These initiatives will make commuting faster and safer, decrease fuel cost, provide best port connectivity, give impetus to transport of rice, seafood, oil meals, iron ore, biofuel, granite, etc., which will boost the industrial, transport, agriculture and tourism sectors, and in turn will generate employment and churn the economy to bring socio-economic prosperity in Andhra Pradesh, which is truly the concept of our Atmanirbhar Bharat.